Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we are getting really specific. We're looking closely at one of those tempting promises you see online all the time.
Right, the instant transformation idea.
Exactly. We're unpacking the Skynflow Collagen and Niacinamide Restoring Night Mask. It claims it can restore collagen, make your skin firmer, and, reduce fine lines, all while you're sleeping.
That's pretty amazing.
It does. So our mission today is basically to figure out if this is really an overnight miracle in a jar or if the science tells a, well, slightly different story.
Yeah, it's a great example of where marketing hype and dermatological reality can sometimes diverge.
Okay, let's start with that hype. The brand talks about overnight regeneration, and they highlight two key ingredients, hydrolyzed collagen and niacinamide.
The big names.
Right. And the user feedback initially looks fantastic. It's got a 4.7 out of 5 stars, over 300 reviews. People are saying things like their skin looked visibly more hydrated or they noticed fewer lines around the eyes. I have to admit, seeing overnight collagen repair on a label, that definitely grabs my attention late at night when I'm probably too tired to, read the ingredient list properly.
Oh, absolutely. That relatability factor is huge in marketing. But okay, here's where we need to bring in the science, especially on that collagen restoring part.
Okay.
When you look at the research from dermatologists and cosmetic chemists, the sources are pretty consistent. Hydrolyzed collagen, well, it's a big molecule,
Big Al.
like structurally large. And because of that size, the consensus is it generally can't really penetrate deep into intact skin. It can't get down to the dermis where your actual collagen framework is built.
Ah, okay. So the idea of it rebuilding your deeper collagen from the outside,
Yeah,
that's scientifically tricky because the molecule just can't get there.
exactly.
Yeah.
That's the major point of skepticism you see in the scientific community about topical collagen for anti-aging.
But then, what about all those positive reviews? We can't just ignore them. People are
That's
seeing something. They feel plumper, smoother skin. That Reddit discussion we saw mentioned skin being glowy and hydrated.
Yeah.
Though interestingly, they specifically said they did not notice any pore minimizing. So if the collagen isn't doing the deep structural work, what explains the visible effects? Like people saying lines look definitely reduced. Is it just wishful thinking?
Not entirely. It's likely not wishful thinking, but it's probably not deep collagen repair either. This is where the other ingredients and the overall formulation come into play.
Okay.
So that hydrolyzed collagen, even if it can't get deep, it's an excellent humectant sitting on the surface. It pulls moisture into that top layer, the stratum corneum, that instantly makes skin look plumper and smoother, which can temporarily minimize the appearance of fine lines.
Ah, so it's more of a surface hydration effect, making things look better immediately.
Precisely. And then you have the niacinamide in there. That's the real workhorse for surface benefits. Niacinamide is known to support the skin barrier, help reduce water loss, improve texture, and give a brightening effect.
So the niacinamide is likely doing a lot of the heavy lifting for that visible glow and smoothness people report.
I'd say that's a very strong possibility, yes.
Mm-hmm.
The issue isn't necessarily that the ingredients are bad, it's the claim versus the mechanism and the time frame.
Right, the overnight miracle timing.
Exactly. Real structural changes, like boosting your own collagen production or significantly reducing established wrinkles, that takes time.
Yeah.
We're talking weeks, usually months, of consistent use of ingredients that can signal those changes deep down, not, one night with a mask.
Okay, that makes sense. So bottom line, if someone has this in their online shopping cart right now, what's the verdict?
Look, based on the ingredients and the likely mechanism, the Skynflow mask is definitely not a scam. It seems to be a very effective cosmetic product. It hydrates well.
But it's not the overnight anti-aging time machine it might sound like.
Correct.
Yeah.
It's more of a hydration and smoothing tool. Think of it as giving your skin a really nice drink and a temporary boost.
So setting realistic expectations is key here.
Absolutely. You should expect, visible improvements in hydration. Your skin will likely feel smoother, look plumper, maybe a bit brighter in the morning, especially if your skin is feeling dry or looking a bit dull.
So expect skin looks better tomorrow rather than skin looks 10 years younger tomorrow.
That's a perfect way to put it.
And the advice from the sources, if you do want to try it.
Seems to be. Use it consistently, maybe once or twice a week.
Yeah.
Don't just use it once and expect miracles. Track how your skin looks and feels over, say, a month. See if those effects are worth the price for you.
Right. And remember that with premium masks, you're often paying for the experience too. The texture, the scent, the ritual, not just guaranteed dramatic skin transformation.
Exactly. That experiential aspect is a big part of the cost.
So The main takeaway here seems to be understanding the gap between a really bold marketing promise like collagen restoration and what topical ingredients can realistically achieve, especially large ones like collagen itself.
Precisely. It highlights how important it is to look at the mechanism.
And that brings up a bigger question for all of us, really. When we're buying skincare, especially higher end stuff,
Hmm.
how much are we buying effective, deep acting ingredients versus buying, well, really good surface hydration, plumping, and just a pleasant experience?
Mm-hmm. It's about knowing what you're paying for and what results are scientifically plausible.
Definitely something to think about next time you're browsing those skincare aisles or websites. Thanks for helping us break this down.
My pleasure. It's a fascinating area where science and consumer perception meet.